Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can able to migrate one WordPress website from cPanel to CloudStick. So in this for this demo I'm using the domain cloudstick.world. So let's open this website and see it's a WordPress. So to begin with the migration, we have to log into the WordPress dashboard. So as a next step, you have to install one WordPress plugin, that is Migrate Guru. Let's click on install now. And click on activate. As soon as it is activated, you can enter your mail address here. So when the migration begins, it will send you a notification, and as soon as it is finished, you will get a notification as well. So click on the button migrate. So click on the other host. Click on the option manually input host details. So let's go to the CloudStick dashboard, then select the server. In this case, I am going to select the server cs-destination. Then click on the websites, then create website. Here I'm going to install a WordPress website. So here I'm entering my email address, then enter the domain. In this case, I'm using cloudstick.top, and I'm selecting my Cloudflare account where I have added the domain, and this is a system username. Then selecting the PHP version 8.1. Then web stack, I'm going to select Nginx plus Apache. Then title, you can give a demo title. Then click on add web application. This will install the WordPress on your server. Yeah, as you can see, the WordPress has been installed on the server, and here also you select the Cloudflare account and click on add www. Okay, now you can go ahead and try installing SSL certificate, or use the DNS verification is better option. So if you are in this case for the demo I'm using different domains, but if you want to use the same domain, then you don't want to install SSL in the first phase. If you have the DNS, if you have added Cloudflare and you're using name servers as name servers of Cloudflare, then you can choose the DNS or the DNS verification and get the SSL installed on the server. So that is better. So let's see whether the WordPress is working. Yeah, the WordPress is working on the destination server. It is not mandatory to get the website working in the destination server. In case if you wanted to migrate the website, same website to CloudStick. So let's go to the settings page. Yeah, and select the web application here. It will be selected automatically. And I'm not sure about the string user because I want to check the mail to get the password, but here I am going to generate one password. And as you have already the SSL on the destination server, we can put the site URL https your domain. If you haven't installed SSL certificate, you don't want to put https. Instead, you have to put http only. And then select the SFTP. Then select the then copy paste the CloudStick server IP address. Then here you can see the system user. Just paste the system user and the password. Enter the password. Then directory path. Directory path you can copy and paste the public path from here. Then click on migrate. So I just got a notification on my phone that the migration has been started. So let's wait to get the migration done. It will take 2-3 minutes if it is a small website. If the website size is large, then it will take time. As you can see, it's a small website and the migration is mostly done. So you can see the migration is successful. So let's refresh the website and see whether the migration is completed or not. As you can see, the cPanel website and both sites are identical. So this is how you can able to migrate the migrate a website from another provider to CloudStick. Whether you are using Plus or Direct Admin or Run Cloud or any other panel, you can follow the same step and get the website migrated. Thanks.